Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how you can actually use Teamviewer program in order to do a lot of stuff. Now, first of all, what I need you to do is download the application on your mobiles or your PCs. So let's get ahead and open it, for example, on my PC, so Teamviewer, and here we have it in there. So what I need you to do is download it for free and go down, scroll, choose whatever you have: Windows, Mac, Linux, Chrome OS, Raspberry Pi, Android or iOS. For me, I have Windows, and here I choose which kind of version, so I have the 64-bit version. Right after that, you just install it normally like you do in every single PC. Now after I open my TeamViewer, like so, it will have something like that in front of us. So this is the ID, and this is like if for example, if we give it something, here's the password. The ID can be changed each time you go, and you not the ID but the password can be changed each time you close the program. Here's the menu that you have: remote management. Here is some meeting programs. So if, in order to, for example, what somebody's phone or what somebody's device, what you have to do is get his ID by asking it for his ID, which is gonna be here. So copy it, paste it in here, and then ask him for his password. Right after that, you will connect, and right after you connect, you will see his PC or his phone in front of you, and you will have all the access to move your mouse around his phone or PC, move files. Even you can transfer files, make calls inside of it, of the TeamViewer, make meetings, and really much more of that. Of course, there is other options of it, like making wake into LAN, which is an option that's exclusively only for TeamViewer, which can give you the access to even turn on a device. So yeah guys, that was it with today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you for watching.